Hey scientists! Today we're going to talk about something seriously cool, experimental design. It's how we unlock the secrets of the universe. Have you ever wondered why some plants grow taller than others? Or why certain paper airplanes fly farther? Well, those are the kinds of questions scientists ask every day. To answer those questions, they use a special tool, experimental design. It's like having a superpower. You can test your ideas, make amazing discoveries, and learn how the world really works. Ready to unleash your inner scientist? Let's get started. Everything starts with an observation. You're out there in the world looking around, using your senses. Maybe you see one plant growing taller than another, or you notice ice melts faster on a hot day. But scientists don't just stop at noticing. They ask questions. Why is that plant growing taller? What makes ice melt faster? Those questions, my friends, are the seeds of scientific discovery. A great experiment always starts with a great question, so keep your eyes open and your mind curious. Now that we've got a question burning in our brains, it's time to make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a smart guess about what you think will happen in your experiment. It's not just a random guess though, it's based on what you already know. Let's say your question is, what makes one plant grow taller? Your hypothesis might be, I think plants grow taller when they get more sunlight. See? You're using your brain power. Your hypothesis gives you a direction for your experiment, a path to follow. Now, just like baking a cake, we need a recipe, a plan. This is where we think about variables, the ingredients of our experiment. What are you going to change? That's your independent variable, the thing you control. What are you going to measure? That's your dependent variable, the thing that changes because of what you did. You make a step-by-step list, just like a recipe. This keeps your experiment organized and makes sure you're testing things fairly, because science is all about being careful and precise. Now comes the fun part, running the experiment. But hold on there, science sleuths. Don't just test once, test multiple times. Why? Because multiple trials make sure your results are fair and not just random luck. It's like flipping a coin. You wouldn't flip it once and say it always lands on heads, right? You flip it many times to find the truth. The more trials you do, the more confident you can be in your results. As you do your experiment, be a super detective. Write down everything, I mean it, everything. Write down your measurements, any changes you see, even weird surprises. This is your data and it's gold for a scientist. Keep it neat, keep it organized, and if it helps, draw pictures or make charts. Think of your notebook as a treasure chest, and those observations are the precious jewels. Okay, detectives, we've gathered all this evidence, now what? Once you're done testing, it's time to dig into your data. We've got to organize it so we can understand what it's telling us. Make graphs, tables, or charts to help you see patterns. Then comes the analysis, the really fun part. Ask yourself, what does the data tell me? Was your hypothesis right? Or did something unexpected happen? Were there any patterns or trends? This is where you get to be a scientific Sherlock Holmes. Now for the grand finale, the conclusion. Based on everything you recorded and analyzed, what did you learn? Did your experiment support your hypothesis? Even if your guess was wrong, you discovered something important, and that's real science. Remember, a wrong answer is still an answer. It just means we need to tweak our experiment, ask new questions, and keep exploring. That's the beauty of science. It's always an adventure. So remember, start with an observation, ask a question, make a prediction, plan carefully, test with multiple trials, record and analyze your data, and form a conclusion. That's the magic of experimental design. It helps scientists think clearly, test fairly, and discover amazing things. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and you'll be a fantastic scientist too. See you next time.